It was so exciting day. We are very closely. We watched. We met Modi ji. It was so memorable day today. Thank you very much.
Modi,
You are
Modi.
very excited. Why?
Yes, I feel all my pores raised when he passed next to me. Beautiful, I feel energetic.
Thank you, Modi ji, for gracing us with your splendid presence here in Trinidad today. Thank you again and again.
Was very excited to see him for where he came and where he become now Prime Minister of India. That's really tremendous. And the shoes he wore when he was going to school, he had no shoes. And he used to take the chalk and color his shoes to get it white. That impressed me such a great deal. That is humility. Beautiful.
I was so excited that Prime Minister Modi was coming, and I was so happy that I could meet him at such a close range. I haven't seen him so close. I'm so happy to be here.
Very, very much. Great. It's such a great guy, great man come to this country. So we welcome him.
बोलो भारत माता की जय। बोलो भारत माता की जय। बोलो भारत माता की जय। बोलो भारत माता की।
Order of the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago is now being awarded to the Honorable Shri Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of the Republic of India.
इस सम्मान का पहली बार किसी फॉरेन लीडर को दिए जाना हमारे विशेष संबंधों की गहराई को दर्शाता है। यह संबंध हमारे साझा इतिहास और सांस्कृतिक धरोहर पर आधारित है। 180 साल पहले भारत से जो लोग यहां आए थे, उन्होंने हमारी मित्रता की नींव रखी थी। भले ही उनके हाथ खाली थे, किंतु उनके मन भारतीय सभ्यता, संस्कृति और विविधता से समृद्ध थे। उन्होंने आपसी सौहार्द और सद्भाव के जो बीज बोए थे, वे आज त्रिनिदाद और टोबैगो के प्रति, उनकी प्रगति के प्रति और समृद्धि के रूप में साकार हो रहे हैं।
Will now present the Honorable Shri Narendra Modi ji, Prime Minister of India, with a token of appreciation of sweets and mithai from the people of Trinidad and Tobago, representing the success of this historic visit and the success of our bilateral relation. The Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji of India present to the Honorable Kamala Prasad Bisesa a small prototype of machinery and a processing unit as part of India's gift to the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago.
The way that he speaks, you know, it really just touches your heart and you can't help but listen to him. And he really, really understands the connection, the deep cultural roots that we share with India, Trinidad and Tobago because of our history. And I know that all about the Trinbagonian who are here today, they really connected with him.
India's growth is inclusive and people-centric. We see our development also as a responsibility towards others, and our priority will always be the global south. In times of disaster, we have responded swiftly with aid, relief, and solidarity. Our development partnerships are demand-driven, respectful, and without conditions. Distinguished members, it is time for us to work together to give the global south its rightful seat at the right table. Terrorism is the enemy of humanity. This very Red House has itself witnessed the wounds of terror and the loss of innocent blood. We must stand united to deny terrorism any shelter or space. We thank the people and the government of this country for standing with us in our fight against terrorism. Both our nations rose from the shadows of colonial rule to write our own stories with courage as our ink and democracy as our pen. Today, both our nations stand as proud democracies and pillars of strength in the modern world.